Hello, my name is Dr. Vanlalremsanga. I'm a gynecologist from northeast part of India, Aizawl, Mizoram. So I'm here at New Delhi in IIRFT Institute, which is a part of RISA IVF Center. Basically, I'm here for a basic Semenology and IUI training for 2 days. And I have a good experience here. The staffs are very amazing. They're very helpful. And moreover, during the training, our embryologists have been very helpful. And since day one, I have had hands-on training. They have guided me each and every step of the training course, and I'm very thankful for that. And I have learned so much from them. So thanks to all the embryologists working here. And moreover, I have also experienced hands-on IUI training from our esteemed faculties. They have explained everything and very helpful. All the staffs are very helpful. So I'm hoping for a good future ahead for my practice when I go back home. Thank you so much.